Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a potential investment opportunity, giving it a score of 1.59. Now, let's analyze the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a modest gain of 0.05%. This means that, on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.01% since it was identified as a potential investment. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a break above the top trend line at $19.44, as it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially signal a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of -24.27% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -43.37% and -19.93%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a potential 51.33% change over the next year. This could result in a return between 22.38% and 159.79%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $22.51 to $47.78 after 1 year. Today, we have an update on the SOXL ETF, and the headline reads, SOXL ETF price down 1.5% on Thursday. On Thursday, November 9, 2023, the SOXL ETF price experienced a decrease of 1.5%, dropping from $18.67 to $18.39. Throughout the trading day, the ETF saw a fluctuation of 7.77%, with a low of $18.28 and a high of $19.70. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 instances, resulting in a rise of 24.85% over the last 2 weeks. Although volume has risen by 25 million shares on the last day, the prices have fallen. This could indicate a potential risk in the upcoming days. In total, approximately $1.37 billion worth of shares, amounting to 75 million shares, were bought and sold. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 36.03% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $10.36. Moreover, it is 95.14% below the all-time high, which was recorded on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Let's take a look at the signals for SOXL, the semiconductor ETF. The SOXL ETF currently shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which is a positive indication for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support at $17.91 and $17.89. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 26.57% increase so far. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, there have also been some negative signals which could potentially impact the short-term development of the stock. It's important to note that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which could be an early warning sign. Therefore, it is recommended to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 9 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 122 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, there was a buy signal 8 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. Now, if we examine the 12-month chart, we find the short moving average gave a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 42 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 38 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. When it comes to support levels, the ETF has some important ones just below its current level. Accumulated volume shows support at $17.43 and $14.97. It's worth noting that when an ETF tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $17.43 is broken, the next support levels are at $14.97 and $14.53. SOXL is known for its volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements within a day. Moreover, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying this ETF as high risk. Looking at the past day, the ETF had a price difference of $1.42 between its high and low, representing a 7.77% change. Over the last week, the average daily volatility has been 5.67%. Today, we'll be diving into the potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SOXL, which stands at $18.64. If you're not currently invested in this stock, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. For those who already hold shares, this resistance level could present an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL faces its initial support level at $17.43. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound in the stock's value. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $17.88, which represents a decrease of 2.8%. It's important to note that this ETF experiences high daily movements, which inherently comes with high risk. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was found 8 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Although the ETF is currently experiencing a downward trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day suggests that the current price is undervalued. On Friday, November 10th, we anticipate that SOXL will open up at $18.79, representing a $0.400 increase. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We want to hear from you, so make sure to comment below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to let us know your target for the ETF. If you find this content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our goal is to provide you with successful trading insights. Thank you for being here with us, and have a beautiful day.